Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Asad Yaqub and I welcome all my IELTS students in Pakistan, India, Bangladesh, Nepal, Sri Lanka, in Arab countries, in USA, Canada, Australia, New Zealand and in Africa. I know in various parts of Africa now people watch my videos, so I just welcome you all to my video. If I missed your country's name, I said Nepal, yeah. If I missed any country's name, I apologize for that. I know you guys respect me and send love to me from all over the world. Well guys, in order to do IELTS preparation, I want to give you some kickstart and I'm going to just motivate you a little through this video. On the way side, whenever you're going somewhere, you might see some colorful balloons. There are some balloons which are actually hanging downwards. You know the balloon sellers, they have a stick. With the stick, they tie the balloons and the balloons are hanging downwards and the balloon seller goes round the streets or maybe he stands by the roadside to sell his balloons. Now these are the balloons with simple air inside, with no motivation, with no determination, with nothing to do. So if you just, that balloon is tied with a thread. If you are going to break the thread and throw the balloon, it will straight away go down to the ground, and if the wind is blowing, the balloon will follow the direction of the wind wherever the wind takes it. I saw some children playing with the balloon like that and they were kicking that balloon and the balloon was forced to go where the kick hit the balloon. On the other hand, on the same roadside, you might come across some colorful balloons and these balloons are actually erected in the air. The thread is erected and the balloon is in the air. We call it helium gas balloon. From the outside, these balloons are similar, identical. Green balloons, blue, yellow, orange, from the outside they are identical. The one that is being kicked by the children and the one that is there, right, helium gas balloon, they are identical, but the only difference is they are different from inside. So most of the time in our life, what we are from inside, that matters more than what we are from outside. Outside means circumstances. Outside means conditions. Outside means where we are, people around us. Inside makes all the difference. Now imagine you are holding a helium gas balloon on a very fine day when the sun is shining brightly, clear blue sky. If you break the thread of the helium gas balloon, it will not look here and there. Straight away, it will go up. Why? Because inside the balloon, there is the power of attitude. Inside the balloon, there is positive motivation. And that sort of balloon will not be kicked by any children anywhere. Rather, you know, children cry when their balloon goes in the air by chance or by mistake. If it goes in the air, they look at the balloon and cry, oh, we want to get that balloon, but that balloon never ends up. At the end, it becomes out of your sight, and that is the height of progress that balloon makes. The difference is only what is your inside. You want to do IELTS. Many of you, most of you who watch my videos, they want to do IELTS. Right? All of you watch my videos, you want to do IELTS, but the thing is, most of you are like normal air balloon, right? So whenever your thread is broken, you fall down and then people kick you. These people are language centers, IELTS centers, other people here and there. So all you need to do, you need to bring some change from your inside. That inside will reform your outside. And then you will never be the same. The changes which bring about in our life from inside out, these changes are revolutionary. All the great revolutions of the world were those revolutions that came inside and then those revolutions were reflected outside as well. So this is very, very important for you as far as your IELTS preparation is concerned, as far as your life goals are concerned. You must focus your inside, and that inside is going to change your outside. Today you are in Africa, India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Nepal, Sri Lanka, any other country like Arab country, wherever you are. But one day, when you are going to get out of your bed from the window, you would be able to see Canadian city. You would be able to see that you are in Canada, you are in Australia, you are in New Zealand. And that time is going to be the best time of your life. That's all, guys. Thank you very much. If you like this video, hit the like button. Subscribe my channel. I teach IELTS online. If you want to join my online IELTS classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub truly wishes you best of luck. Take care. Allah Hafiz.